Hello, how we doing today? This is Lee Murray. Welcome to the Kitchen Sink 2021. This is a 48-hour special that has the power to change the game for you. Only if, however, you are willing to stop seeking software that's going to change your life, because software will never change your life. There's no piece of software that's ever been created that has ever changed anyone's life other than the product creator. Okay, whoever created the software for you, um, and who preyed upon you with promises of a three-step plan where the third step is always make money, right? uh it's nonsense. You're Invariably, what they're going to be offering you is a page builder that's not very good, promoting products that are even worse. And then they're going to give you a bunch of social media buttons to click on to do what? To promote the little page that you built, promoting a crappy product that nobody's ever going to buy. Nobody would buy it if you could get the traffic, and you can't even get the traffic because you need huge social media followings in order to do that. And if you have the huge social media followings, they expect you to spam them with pages that promote crappy products. It's not a good way to go. The best way to go, especially if you want easy, okay? If you're into easy, I got you covered here, but it's going to take a little bit of initial setup. And what that's going to be is to get people onto your email list and then have your email list loaded with hundreds and hundreds of emails that are all monetized with your affiliate links and that can get you paid in a big way. Now, that's what I'm offering you here today are my best done for you emails. They're already monetized. I already give you the products to promote. I already promote the products on your behalf. All you need to do is load these emails into your autoresponder, and I give you full training inside as well, so you'll know exactly how to do this. Okay, I'm holding your hand through the entire process here, and all you need to do is load up my emails, put in your own affiliate links. I show you where to go to get your affiliate links. Again, no stone left unturned. I'm holding your hand every step of the way here. And then once you've got all of these emails loaded up, you could say you've got a year's worth of emails loaded up, and you will have a year's worth of emails if you take me up on today's offer for only $20. But again, it is a 48-hour special only. It's beginning on Saturday, October 2nd at 1:30 p.m. Pacific time. So 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, and it ends in exactly 48 hours. So on Monday the 4th at the same time, 1:30 Pacific, 4:30 Eastern. I'll show you everything you're getting here in just a moment. I just wanted to kind of backtrack for a second, get back to my point here that the best way to make money is to load up at least a year's worth of emails. Again, you'll have them at your fingertips today when you take advantage of this opportunity. Okay. You load them up, and then all you ever have to do is get people to one single page. And I'm giving you that page, by the way. I'm giving you the page. So you just send people to the page that I'm giving you, and just keep doing that. Just keep doing that. And the emails will do everything for you. You never have to proactively send out an email to your list ever, right? You've already loaded them up. Every day they're getting emails from you, and every day you're making money. The more people you send to that one single page, the more money you're going to make, and it's going to happen on a long-term basis, right? That's the beauty of this. The beauty of this is that all you do is send people into the front end, and as long as you're doing that consistently, repeatedly, then a year from now you're going to have people on your list who opted in a year ago, plus everybody who opted in 364 days ago, and 363 days ago, 362 days ago. I can't remember what comes after that. No, I'm just being a jackass, but seriously. And of course, all the people that you just sent in today. Okay. I show you how to send the people in. And as a matter of fact, you're getting Affiliate Psycho 2 here, which is a very ethical way. And shock warning, this is an older version of my sales page that has, well, you'll see. Big old me. I'm not looking my best either. Anyway, this is Affiliate Psycho 2. And this is a fantastic way to get free traffic for yourself on a daily basis, and you can spend an hour a day doing it. If you've got an hour a day and you've got everything set up as per my instructions that you're getting today, and you just follow along with Affiliate Psycho 2, which again is included in this package, then you're getting free traffic. You don't have to pay for this traffic at all, ever. Okay. I also do show you paid options as well. If you don't feel like doing any work at all and you just want to buy your traffic, I'll show you those options as well. But let's get into what you're getting today. Okay. Now, this is kind of an aside here because this is in the ketogenic diet niche, but I thought you might like to have it anyway. So I'm including it in today's package. You get a high converting squeeze page. You get a monetized thank you page, a monetized lead magnet. You get banners to promote. You get links to affiliate programs, and you get 21 monetized emails. Okay. So this is again in the ketogenic diet niche, but if you want to do that on the side, it's another little side hustle that can make you a nice income because there's lots of money to be made in the ketogenic diet niche. But let's go on to the affiliate marketing niche, which is what we're really after here. Okay. So here, this is my affiliate marketing funnel, and it's the same kind of thing. I talk about how I haven't had a job since 2013 and all kinds of good stuff. You can go ahead and read through any of this, you can see the URLs up here. So, but here's what you're getting today, and you can see this is $17 just for this. It's $17 just for this, $12.95 for Affiliate Psycho 2. But let's get back. So today, same thing, high converting squeeze page, monetized thank you page, but these are in the affiliate marketing niche, which I hate saying affiliate marketing because I think it's a nonsensical term, to be honest with you, but we'll just call it the affiliate marketing niche because it was kind of like I did it during old thinking, I guess. So now this leads us to my email kits. So again, you get 21 done for you emails with your affiliate marketing funnel from Enter the Niche. Now we're getting into my email kit series, and this is high ticket kit. Okay, high ticket kit. And what this is 30 emails, 30 done for you emails monetized with specific products that can earn you up to $8,000, some even more per sale. And you get 30 emails. Okay, so if you're sending people to your page for 30 consecutive days, they're going to be getting offers from you that you never had to write. I did everything for you, and I'm a pretty damn good email writer. Okay, it's how I earn my living. And you can earn thousands of dollars for one sale. You can make enough in one sale to cover your entire cost of living for the month. You do that just once a month, and you're golden. Of course, you're getting 30 emails, so you're very likely to get more than just one per month. But even if you just got one per month, that can change your life in a very significant way. Okay. And then the next one over, the recurring income kit. This promotes products that get you paid. Well, as you guessed it, recurring income. Okay. Recurring commissions on products that are either part of a continuity program, so monthly billing. They come with a monthly billing structure, and each time the customer pays their bill, you earn a commission. And then there's another type that is like kind of a la carte, and anytime they order, they're always cookied with your affiliate link. So anytime they come back to get more traffic, for example, let's see here. I'll show you the products that we're promoting with this 30 email kit. Aweber, GetResponse. These are industry leading products. This isn't like fly by night, nonsensical junk software products. Okay. ClickMagick, Kinsta, Udemy, ClickFunnels, Thrive Architect, Traffic for Me, Perpetual Income 365, and My Online Startup. And you can earn a ridiculous amount of money recurring. So as long as you're still sending traffic to your funnel and they're getting your hundreds of emails over the course of time, right? They get an email from you every day, then you're going to end up with a huge customer base. It's not going to be your customer base. It'll be Aweber's, for example, or GetResponses. But you're going to have sent them so much traffic, so many people, that this can turn into a very, very healthy full-time income for you. And it's very nice to have money that you can just count on. Right? Count on. So like I even tell the story here. My kid was crushed by this tree. This is an actual an actual image of the tree and it happened on Friday the 13th of 2020 of all times. And the tree crashed down during a windstorm, busted through, landed on his lap. He was sitting on a rocking chair, and it severed his urethra, which is still messed up today. He's still on a catheter. It mangled his legs, and it just caused a lot of serious damage to him. Fortunately, he survived, and fortunately, he is good to go nowadays. Okay. And I basically lived for 2 months at the hospital and never had to worry about a thing because the recurring income kept coming in. I didn't have to work. All the recurring income that I had built was enough to sustain us. Okay. I said anus. All right. And then we've got ClickBank. This is the ClickBank kit. Oh, so sorry. Another 30 emails here. Okay. So 30 emails, another 30, that's 60 plus 21, that's 81 plus 21, that's 102, right? But of course, this is the ketogenic diet funnel, but still, you get 21 emails there. The next over is the ClickBank kit. This promotes some of the hottest products in the ClickBank marketplace, in the internet marketing, make money online space. Okay. So it's gonna tie in perfectly with your list. And you got another 30 emails, okay? This obviously sells for $12.95 as well, and I'll show you the products that this one promotes. Scribble, Vidly, the Fast Tracks, 12-minute affiliate, Conversio bot, Speechello, paid social media jobs, ClickWealth system, and Write app reviews, okay? And of course, I wrote all these emails myself, and I wrote them with the intention of making sales, with the intention of converting them into money for you. Okay. I got your back here. So you get another 30 emails. I don't know what we're up to now. 135, something like that. 132. And then last but not least, and it's not even last really, I'm just not telling you everything I'm giving you in this package today with the kitchen sink. You get more. You get more than just this, okay? But we'll just end it with this for the sake of brevity, I guess. So the easiest money you've ever made is finally here. This is the traffic kit. People buy traffic like crazy. Not only do they buy traffic, but they buy courses that teach traffic. And in this particular 30-day email series, I am promoting both on your behalf, and we're using your affiliate links to do it so you can continually get paid. Okay, and some of these do come with a recurring commission. Let's see, I think I've got here, I mean, you're always welcome to go through this. Okay, so I'm promoting, you'll be promoting Affiliate Psycho 2, which I've already shown you. That is a traffic program. Okay, so this is a traffic system. You will be promoting Udemy. You'll be promoting Simple Traffic Solutions from John Thornhill. You'll be promoting Traffic from me. You'll be promoting Video Creatox, Big Bang Profits Reloaded, 1-minute traffic machines, and Empire. Okay, good products. Both courses and traffic sources like Traffic from Me and Udemy. And again, these come with recurring income models. Okay, so we're covering bases here. And again, this is 30 emails. And again, there's a little bit of overlap because we're promoting Udemy on our recurring income kit, but these are different emails. These are completely different emails. So there's nothing wrong with promoting the same thing again. Okay, just for the stragglers who didn't take advantage the first time around. So there's no problem with that. These are all fresh emails you're getting. So you are getting over 160 just from what I've shown you. Again, there's more. You're getting more. In fact, you're getting hundreds more done for you emails. Okay, these are just my most recent ones, and these are the ones that I'm most proud of sharing with you right now. But there's nothing wrong with the other ones. They're just, I just don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. And we're already at 15 minutes. So I'm going to wrap this up and let you go ahead and click that order button. $20, again, 48 hours only. So you've got from Saturday, October 2nd at 1:30 p.m. Pacific time, which is 4:30 p.m. Eastern time. And you've got until Monday, October 4th. At the same time, 1:30 Pacific, 4:30 Eastern. Thank you so much for joining me here today. You got to take advantage now because at 1:30 p.m. Eastern time, Pacific time, 4:30 p.m. Pacific time on Monday, October 4th. This offer is coming down. There is no false scarcity. I'm not going to play with your emotions, and I'm not going to mess around here, okay? This is a one-time only offer. Oh, and speaking of one time, yes, there are two upgrades. The upgrade number one is Email Club. You'll learn all about that on the next page after you place your order here with Kitchen Sink. That is more emails to the tune of 14 per month. Okay, so you get 14 additional emails per month, and you can either there's either a lifetime option or a monthly option, $10 a month or $67 one time. So dirt cheap for that. And then our final upgrade is $97, and that is going to be 100% funnel commissions for 5 of my top selling products, including these bad boys. Okay, so you will be able to earn 100% commissions when you promote all of these products, and these are good products. You're really going to be helping people by promoting these. This is not that junk software we alluded to earlier, okay? So this is really good, high-quality stuff that can actually impact people's lives, including yours, if you take action and follow my step-by-step tutorial videos on the other side. And so you will make 100% funnel commissions. That means instead of 50%, you're going to be doubling the money that you make. And we've got some pretty juicy, higher ticket, we'll say mid-ticket, over $100 offers inside that you can make 100% commissions on. It's an unbelievable deal, and I highly recommend that you take advantage of it today. I've sold this same exact upgrade number 2, for $197, but today, again, 48 hours only. It'll be $97 for you, okay? So consider that, but definitely get the Kitchen Sink 2021 right now. $20, 48 hours. You can't beat that. You really can't. And this is the type of product, this is the type of package that can truly impact your life in a very, very, very positive way. All right? I'll see you inside. Thanks again for joining me. Click the button below. Do it now. Bye.